Hello guys, today we are going to be working with binary tree post order traversal. So let's go, let's get to work. First thing I would like to show you is the recursive solution for post order traversal, which is kind of trivial, but just have a look at it. And as I mentioned in the previous videos, the operation will be at the end of traversals, right? We first travel left, then right, and then we do the operation. That is kind of post order traversal. So, okay, all right, I'll just comment this code and we will work with iterative solution. So for iterative solution, I would like to show you something. This is post order, and as I mentioned in the previous video, with post order we do left subtree, right subtree, then the root node, right? So if you reverse this, we get NRL. Why am I showing this? Because post order doing iteratively is kind of tricky. So what I will be doing is I will first do the pre-order traversal, but the caveat here is in pre-order traversal we first visit the left subtree and then the right. But now I will be doing node first, the root node first, then the right subtree, and then left. Why I will be doing this? If you see this NRL, it is same as the reverse of post order traversal NRL. So if I do pre-order traversal in this manner and I just reverse the list, I get the post order traversal. Okay, let's start with it. So first thing I do is if not root, we just return an empty array or list. Then I will initialize a stack and a resultant array or response. That I will initialize the stack with root and rest with an empty list. Now while stack, I will pop up each element at the end. So it will be stack dot pop. Now we got the node. So in pre-order, what we used to do, we used to keep in mind the right subtree and we just append the right subtree first. But since we want to jumble it, we will be appending the left subtree, left node first, and then we will append the right node, so that when the loop comes back, it will first take out the right node, and we can achieve this NRL, and we can just reverse it and get the post order. Cool. So I'll append this node. Since we are doing, still we are visiting the root node first, I'll append this value to the response node dot val. Now I'll check if node dot left. If so, I'll append that to the stack dot append node dot left. Then I'll go with if node dot right stack dot append node dot right. Cool. Now we have got a list, that is a response list where we have traversed the tree in pre-order traversal, but with a slightly tweaked manner. And if we will just return it like reversed rest, and let's see how it works. See, 3 2 1. Now let's submit. It's accepted. I would like to show you one more thing here. If you already know, you can stop here. This is regarding custom test cases. For very long I didn't use it, but I will highly recommend you guys to first check with your sample test cases before you submit the answer. So here is how you can do it. So for this tree on the left side, I have created this Leetcode custom test case. I'll just put this array in the custom test case and you will see the result. Here you go. You would see the tree here. This tree is the same as the one I have in diagram. Now I'll do run, and you get the answer. Expected answer is this one, 4785231. And if you see here, that's exact what we were calculating. All right, guys. Thank you so much.